Breaking up can feel like a storm that leaves emotional debris in its wake, but it's possible to clear that wreckage and find sunny skies once more. The first step towards healing is acceptance. Embrace the reality of the breakup and give yourself permission to feel your emotions without judgment. Allowing yourself to grieve is essential. Cry, write in a journal, or talk to friends, whatever it takes to let those feelings surface. Once you've acknowledged your feelings, it's time to create distance. Remove reminders of your ex from your daily life. This means unfollowing them on social media, putting away gifts, and even avoiding places you used to frequent together. Establishing physical and emotional distance is crucial for giving your heart the space it needs to heal. Alongside this, don't hesitate to lean on friends and family. Surrounding yourself with supportive people can provide comfort, distraction, and a much-needed sense of belonging during this transition. Next, redirect your energy into self-care and self-discovery. Engage in activities that make you happy, or explore new hobbies you've always wanted to try. This might involve diving into art, fitness, or travel. Building self-confidence and exploring new dimensions of yourself can bring about a sense of fulfillment. Consider setting personal goals or aspirations. This can keep your mind focused forward and away from the past. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also aid in grounding yourself and fostering a sense of inner peace amidst the chaos. As you grow forward, remember to be kind and patient with yourself during this process. Cultivating new social circles is another effective step. Meeting new people can reignite your sense of connection and help you rediscover what you enjoy in relationships. Engage in community events, join clubs, or take classes that interest you. This broadens your horizons and may even present romantic opportunities. However, don't rush into dating before you're ready. Refrain from jumping into a new relationship simply to fill the void. Take the time to heal. Learn from your past relationship and understand your needs before moving on again. Lastly, remember that healing isn't linear. Some days may feel easier than others, and that's perfectly normal. Acknowledge the progress you make, however small. Celebrate your victories and use each day as a step towards a happier, healthier you. Ultimately, getting over an ex is a personal journey, but with dedication and the right mindset, you can emerge stronger and ready for the next chapter of your life.